Welcome back to Ethan Order, guys. Here's the deal. I've got those two engines that are at my house that need something for them to go on, because I just went and looked at them and they're just collecting dust. I have no idea what's up with the air compressor. I'm going to talk to the previous owner that I got it from, and see what he says is up with it. I'm obviously in my half of the bay of the shop doing this video. I came over here to see if the truck was out, see if I could get over there and show you guys the compressor. I may want to put that black engine on, but guess we'll wait and see what happens there. So, peace out. Oh, and then all the engine parts that are on the workbench in here, I'm going to haul those off to the pile.